If you own a home with a mortgage, there is one question you may have never thought to ask. Have you ever actually examined the documents connected to your mortgage? Most homeowners make their payment every month and assume everything behind the scenes is correct. The note, the mortgage, assignments, servicing records, payment history, transfers, notices, and ownership records are rarely questioned until something goes wrong. But by then, it may be much harder to understand what happened. That is why the Foreclosure Defense Survival Playbook is not just a book for people already facing foreclosure. It is a book for homeowners. Period. Whether you are current on your mortgage, behind on payments, buying a home, selling a home, dealing with a mortgage servicer, or already involved in foreclosure, this book was created to help you understand the paperwork and procedures connected to one of the largest financial obligations you may ever have. Think about it. You probably review your bank statements, you check your credit report, you look over major contracts before signing them. But how closely have you examined the documents that may determine who has the legal right to collect payments secured by your home? The Foreclosure Defense Survival Playbook walks homeowners through mortgage documents, assignments, servicing records, foreclosure notices, court filings, requests for information, evidence, discovery, and other issues that can become extremely important when a mortgage is questioned. You will learn what documents to request, what questions to ask, what records to preserve, what potential inconsistencies deserve closer examination, and how to organize information so you can better understand what is happening with your mortgage. The book also explains legal procedures in plain language for people who have never stepped inside a courtroom and do not have a legal background. And there is another powerful tool available today that previous generations of homeowners never had: artificial intelligence. The book explains practical ways AI can help you organize documents, understand unfamiliar terminology, summarize complicated information, develop questions, compare records, and assist with drafting and research. AI does not replace a qualified attorney, and this book does not provide individual legal advice. But knowledge changes the conversation. Instead of walking into a difficult situation, knowing almost nothing about your mortgage documents, you can begin asking informed questions and understanding the records in front of you. And you should not wait until a foreclosure notice arrives. You should not wait until your house is scheduled for sale. You should not wait until you are trying to sell your property and questions arise about the chain of title or recorded documents. You should not wait until you are under pressure and trying to learn everything at once. The best time to understand your mortgage is before there is a crisis. If everything in your records is correct, you gain greater confidence and understanding. If something raises questions, you have discovered it while you still have time to investigate, gather records, and decide what steps may be appropriate. That is why the Foreclosure Defense Survival Playbook belongs in the hands of homeowners who want to understand the documents behind their mortgage and protect themselves through knowledge. Your home may be your largest investment. Your mortgage may last 15, 20, or 30 years. Shouldn't you understand the paperwork behind it? Do not wait for a foreclosure notice to start asking questions. Do not assume you will have time to figure everything out later. Get the Foreclosure Defense Survival Playbook today. Read it. Review your documents. Learn what questions to ask. Understand the process before you ever need to defend yourself against it. If you own a home with a mortgage, this is a book you should have before you need it. Get your copy of the Foreclosure Defense Survival Playbook now and start understanding what is really inside your mortgage file.